see what other sounds I've got on this thing.
What other sounds do you have on
What
that
other
thing?
sounds do we have on this thing? I haven't really gone through the whole sound effects section in Logic Pro.
Slaps roof of Logic Pro. You can fit so many sounds in this thing.
So many sound effects.
Computer,
sound
make
effects.
David bigger.
Effects. I mean,
Sorry, it's just a meme in my head. Lives there.
I believe you.
Yeah.
Got a lot of drum type things here. I want something crazy.
They always sell electric keyboards as like, hey, you can do your whole percussion kit on here.
Mm-hmm.
Does anyone you know do that?
Ooh, good question.
Only if you're like, I mean, honestly, even when I'm putting music together, if I'm gonna do a synth drum track, I'm tapping on the touchscreen as a drum pad.
Yeah.
Like, there's no purpose to using the keys and remembering. I mean, this old Yamaha actually even has symbols. You can
to mark the drums.
To mark which drum each key is. And it's like, why? Why would you want to do that? But it's... What is daydream effects?
Maybe for
Am I in
transitions.
space?
I guess that's what daydreams sound like, right?
Yeah, the screen goes wibbly and
yeah,
exactly.
Beep beep boop.
Dracula sub effects.
There we go. Wait, is this Dracula's
sub? Yeah, for
dope
his suburbs.
subs? Okay,
That's what Dracula's sub sounds like right there.
I was just expecting, yes, Dracula, whatever you want.
Yeah, right.
I mean, if Dracula tells you to do something, you're not going to say no, right? You might be physically unable to.
Correct.
Chaos and everything, yeah.
No.
Heavy machinery impact. Yep.
Impactful. Heavy. Machiny. Bam, bam, bam.
Radio DJ noises.
Laser noise effect. Don't like that.
It's for when you're scoring your laser show.
Yes. Aren't you supposed to have music that goes along with the laser zone?
Okay, this is just if you're dragging your filing cabinet across the floor.
As one does.
Yeah. Finally move that cabinet.
There's some industrial music that's going to use that, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
On location vinyl. Yeah. Yep. That's
specs and specs.
Yes.
That's some vinyl noises. I gotta say, I'm kind of disappointed there's no cats in here. Like, come on.
There's no cats in there?
Nope. Not so far. I've got a metal boomer.
I mean, we also have a boomer.
This is what metal boomer sounds like, apparently.
Metal boomer wishes to fight fleshy boomer.
I am not very metal, so I'm just gonna say that the flesh to metal, they're probably gonna win.
I am slightly more metal than the average person on account of having a titanium plate in my shoulder.
Ooh.